How can you enforce IP rights for NFTs on blockchain? Imagine owning a one-of-a-kind digital artwork that you want to protect from copying or unauthorized use. Now, think about how you can make sure your rights are respected in the digital world. That's where enforcing intellectual property rights for non-fungible tokens on blockchain comes into play. NFTs are unique digital tokens recorded on a blockchain that show ownership of digital or physical assets. But owning an NFT doesn't automatically give you all the rights to the underlying work. To enforce your rights, you need to set clear rules from the start. This can be done by including licensing terms directly in the NFT's metadata or smart contracts. Smart contracts are special agreements written into the blockchain that can automatically enforce rules. For example, they can restrict copying or reselling without permission, or even automatically pay royalties when the NFT is resold. Using smart contracts makes enforcement more efficient because they work without human intervention. Registering your licensing agreements on the blockchain creates a tamper-proof record that proves when you created the work and what rights you hold. This record can be used as evidence if someone infringes on your rights. To monitor unauthorized use, you can combine blockchain with digital watermarking or tracking tools. These tools alert you if your content is copied or used without permission. While blockchain alone doesn't stop infringement, it makes it easier to identify and prove violations. Enforcement also faces legal challenges because blockchain is decentralized and global. It can be hard to track down infringers across different jurisdictions. Courts are still figuring out how traditional intellectual property laws apply to NFTs. For example, unauthorized use of protected trademarks or copyrighted works can lead to legal action. To strengthen your position, you should clearly define your rights and licensing terms in the smart contract. Register trademarks related to your digital assets to help enforce your rights. Using blockchain registration as proof of ownership and licensing can be very helpful in legal disputes. Monitoring tools can help you detect infringement early. When you find unauthorized use, you can pursue legal action, using the blockchain records as evidence. As laws evolve, enforcement strategies will also adapt, especially with the help of artificial intelligence. AI can automate infringement detection and analyze blockchain data for patterns of misuse. Overall, enforcing intellectual property rights for NFTs on blockchain involves a mix of smart contracts, blockchain records, monitoring tools, and legal steps. This approach aligns with current legal frameworks and the emerging challenges of digital and decentralized environments. It's a new way to protect your digital creations in a world where ownership and rights are shifting into the digital realm.